So guys, one of the viewer watching can get this Realme mobile game controller just for free. Yes guys, this is for giveaway. This one I unboxed right now and this is sealed and this is for giveaway. And these both are like the grips are of left side. If you go on the Realme website, then you will see both left and right grips. So these are both left ones, as you can see the boxes. So if you are using your fire button at the upper left corner, then this is best for you. And if you want to use it at the right side, then it will work, but the grip is not that good. So let's begin the video. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech. So guys, today I'll unbox the Realme mobile game controller. So here it is, you can see yellow color, and so this has cap air mapping technology, micro switch, fast charge and recordable burst mode, 80-hour long battery life. So this is the thing. So let's go to the table and unbox it. So guys, here is the Realme mobile game controller. Here is the box. So let's check out the box before opening the thing. Here is the box. Recordable burst mode. The reason why I ordered this, it had a recordable burst mode. Like if you play BGMI or PUBG, anything you can say. The guns in that is like some guns like SKS, M16A4 and Mini 14 are burst. So it turns them into auto. Basically like fully auto, and you can destroy the players. I have been using this since 3 days and I am destroying players with the SKS gun because that is too heavy and it makes it auto. So the review and gameplay with BGMI will be out soon on my channel, so subscribe and click the bell icon. So this video is just the unboxing, so this thing is also for giveaway. If you want to participate in the giveaway, the steps are like this video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and comment done. After doing all these steps, and the results will be out on 10,000 subscribers, so complete my 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. One of the viewer watching can get this thing. So I ordered the left grip one for me. You can order a right grip one also for you, and you can order both also, but I am using one only, and one is for the giveaway. So that is why I ordered both left sides. If you are using the fire button on the left side, the upper left side, then this is best for you. And if you want to use the button on the right side, it doesn't work well, but okay, you can use it. The grip is not good at the right side, I checked that. So the quality seems good enough, and Realme branding on this side. So guys, it has a button to record the burst mode, as you can see this one. Full tutorial how to record the burst mode and everything will be out in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified for that video. And here's the thing. Okay, let me show you how to charge this device. You can, like, this thing is fully automatic, like nothing manual is in this. It has a 80 hours long battery life. I'm using it since 3 days, so it has been like, okay, 2 days, 3 days. There was no need to charge it again. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to enter the giveaway, the steps are in description, and the steps are like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and results will be out on 10,000 subscribers. Also comment done after doing all the steps. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more such videos.